Now, on the occasion of Prime Minister Modi's birthday, there's been a 24/7 vaccination center that has been opened in Bengaluru in Karnataka. It is the first in the state, which means that people can come at any time to get their vaccination done.
The best possible solution available for the society or the people, it is vaccination to protect themselves. Under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, the drive has been going on from strength to strength. Each day we are able to scale up in a very big way. Probably in our country, we'll be vaccinating everyone, each and every citizen will be getting vaccinated. Probably it's a matter of time. Today, it's been a very special occasion. Our Honorable Prime Minister's birthday has been celebrated very meaningfully across the country by vaccinating.
As Karnataka government has taken up a mega vaccination drive, I'm coming to you from a vaccination center which is open for 24/7 and it has been inaugurated today. Here in Malleshwaram constituency in Bengaluru, BBMP has opened up a 24/7 vaccination center. Anyone can walk into this vaccination center at any point during the day and night and get vaccinated. This is the registration counter and it has been inaugurated today, and there are 2 vaccination booths here, and next to it is another vaccination booth. As soon as you enter, they check your Aadhaar, they check your documents, they check your verification. Is it going to be first dose or second dose? And then you move to vaccination counter 1 and 2 where you are administered vaccines. And this has been inaugurated today by the former Deputy Chief Minister and also the Higher Education Minister, Mr. Ashwath Narayan. Next section is the observation room where post-vaccination people come here, wait for at least an hour or 45 minutes, then see what's happening. If they have any issues, then they go back to the doctors. There are 28 constituencies and every constituency they want to achieve this 24/7. This is second such vaccination center in Bengaluru which has opened up today, and Karnataka has already vaccinated over 2 lakh people as we speak, and the government plans to vaccinate more than 25 lakh today, and as the mega vaccination campaign has started this morning. Nagarjun Dwarkanath for India Today.